We think that you, as a professional educator, would like to see essays free of plagiarism. We think that you also work really hard for academic honesty, educational integrity, and to treat students equally. And that you would like a lot of the work of checking for plagiarism to be automated, if possible. With Urkund, it is. Within moments of your university or school signing up, you can be up and running. No download, no installation, and no hassle, just a new email address. Or complete integration with your learning management system, or both. Your students send their essays to your Urkund email, or drop them off in the assignment folder. It takes a few minutes for Urkund to analyze the content of the document, using all of our available sources and with the precision for which we are acclaimed. Urkund delivers the results directly to your email, or shows the results right next to the documents in the LMS assignment, or both. Urkund's analysis opens in a browser. The report clearly highlights each similarity so you can decide whether to accept the match or not. We are Urkund, supporting better education.